Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to play Roblox without downloading it. So guys, at first you need to go to your browser. Then tap on the search bar and search Game Nora Roblox. Now tap on the first one. Tap on the play option. Again tap on the play option. Now here you can select and play any Roblox of your choice. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.